अब सोने का समय हो गया। इट्स टाइम टू गो टू बेड। इट्स टाइम टू गो टू बेड। ज़्यादा देर तक जागना मत। डोंट स्टे अप टू लेट। डोंट स्टे अप टू लेट। कल रात मुझे एक सपना आया। आई हैड अ ड्रीम लास्ट नाइट। आई हैड अ ड्रीम लास्ट नाइट। कल रात मैंने एक बुरा सपना देखा। आई हैड अ नाइटमेयर लास्ट नाइट। आई हैड अ नाइटमेयर लास्ट नाइट। मेरी नींद अचानक टूट गई। माई स्लीप वॉज सडनली इंटरप्टेड। माई स्लीप वॉज सडनली इंटरप्टेड। मुझे काफ़ी डर लग रहा था। आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी स्केयर्ड। आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी स्केयर्ड। मैं सारी रात सो नहीं सका। आई couldn't sleep all night. I couldn't sleep all night. क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? हाँ मैं ठीक से सोया। Yes, I slept well. हाँ मैं ठीक से सोया। Yes, I slept well. तुम्हें कैसी नींद आई? How was your sleep? तुम्हें कैसी नींद आई? How was your sleep? नहीं, मैं ठीक से नहीं सोया। No, I don't sleep well. No, I don't sleep well. तुम हमेशा स्वस्थ रहो। May you always be healthy. May you always be healthy. ऊपर वाला तुम्हें सफलता दिलाए। May Almighty grant you success. May Almighty grant you success. उसकी दुकान बंद हो सकती है। His shop may be closed. His shop may be closed. तुम्हारी आवाज़ कट रही है। Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. इतना घमंड सही नहीं है। Such arrogance is not good. Such arrogance is not good. मेरा पेट गुड़गुड़ा रहा है। My stomach is rumbling. My stomach is rumbling. मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया है। I haven't eaten anything since morning. I haven't eaten anything since morning. लगता है मेरा पेट खराब हो गया है। Looks like my stomach is upset. Looks like my stomach is upset. मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना होगा। I have to go to the doctor. I have to go to the doctor. मुझे दवाई की ज़रूरत है। I need medicine. मुझे दवाई की ज़रूरत है। I need medicine. तुम्हारा डरना जायज़ है। Your fear is justified. Your fear is justified. मुझे आजकल अच्छा नहीं लगता। I don't feel good these days. I don't feel good these days. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है। I am getting very scared. I am getting very scared. वह फिल्म डरावनी थी। That movie was scary. वह फिल्म डरावनी थी। That movie was scary. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी। As you sow, so you shall reap. As you sow, so you shall reap. कहाँ से मिला यह तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? उसका अपमान मत करो। Don't insult her. उसका अपमान मत करो। Don't insult her. आपको हीरे यहीं मिलेंगे। You will get the diamonds here. You will get the diamonds here. तुम भरोसे के लायक नहीं हो. You are not trustworthy. You are not trustworthy. मुझे सुधारने का वक्त ही नहीं मिला आपको. You didn't get the time to reform me. You didn't get the time to reform me. अब अगली बार आइएगा. You will come the next time. You will come the next time. तुम्हें यहाँ अकेले नहीं आना चाहिए. You shouldn't have come here alone. You shouldn't have come here alone. अब ये कभी कोई गलती नहीं करेगा. Now he will never commit any mistake. Now he will never commit any mistake. हम लोग हमेशा साथ रहेंगे. We will always be together. We will always be together. मैंने अभी-अभी अपने हाथ धोए हैं. I have just washed my hands. I have just washed my hands. मैं उसका सपना कभी पूरा नहीं होने दूंगा. I will never let her dream come true. I will never let her dream come true. असल चीज़ तो मैं भूल ही गया. I forgot the main thing. I forgot the main thing. मैं अपनी ज़मीन नहीं दूंगा तुम्हें. I won't give you my land. I won't give you my land. खान पान पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to your diet. Pay attention to your diet. क्या तुम्हें लगता है मैं जीतूंगा? Do you think I will win? Do you think I will win? मैं आज तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ सकता. I can't come with you today. I can't come with you today. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. मुझसे जल्दी मिलने आओ. Come to see me soon. Come to see me soon. क्या तुम कुछ कह रहे हो? Are you saying anything? क्या तुम कुछ कह रहे हो? Are you saying anything? मैं तुम्हारे ही बारे में सोच रहा था. I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. मैंने यह तुम्हारे लिए किया. I did it for you. मैंने यह तुम्हारे लिए किया. I did it for you. हमेशा अच्छे दिखो. Always look good. हमेशा अच्छे दिखो. Always look good. तुम्हें मजाक लग रहा है. You find it funny. तुम्हें मजाक लग रहा है. You find it funny. बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए. Tell me what do you need. Tell me what do you need. ठीक है मैं इसे खुद करूँगा. Okay, I will do it myself. Okay, I will do it myself. वो अजीब बातें करता है. He talks strange. वो अजीब बातें करता है. He talks strange. उल्टा जवाब मत दो. Don't talk back. उल्टा जवाब मत दो. Don't talk back. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? तुम यहाँ जो मांगोगे मिलेगा. You will get whatever you ask for here. You will get whatever you ask for here. तुम इतने सजे धजे कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going to so dressed up? Where are you going to so dressed up? जाकर मेरे लिए पानी लेकर आओ. Go and bring water for me. Go and bring water for me. अब मैं इसे कैसे समझाऊं? How do I explain to her now? How do I explain to her now? तुम हमेशा मेरी बहन को चिढ़ाते रहते हो. You always tease my sister. You always tease my sister. अब तुम बच्ची नहीं रही. You are no more a child now. You are no more a child now. तुम्हें आराम करने की ज़रूरत है और मुझे तलाश करने की. You need to take rest and I need to search. लगता है मुझे ये इलाका छोड़कर जाना पड़ेगा. Looks like I will have to leave this area. Looks like I will have to leave this area. तुम मुझे फिर से मारोगे क्या? Will you hit me again? Will you hit me again? वे कौन होते हैं मुझे यहाँ छोड़कर जाने वाले? Who is he to leave me here? Who is he to leave me here? इस वक्त तुम होश में नहीं हो. You are not in your senses right now. You are not in your senses right now. हालात को समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand the situation. Try to understand the situation. तुम्हारी यादों के सहारे ही तो मैं जिंदा हूँ. I am alive because of your memories. I am alive because of your memories. मैं भी आपको बहुत याद कर रही थी भैया. I too was missing you a lot, brother. I too was missing you a lot, brother. मैं अपने किए पर बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ. I am very much ashamed for what I did. I am very much ashamed for what I did. आपको ऐसा सामान रोज-रोज नहीं मिलेगा. You won't get such stuff every day. You won't get such stuff every day. तुम्हारा ये खिलौना मुझे अच्छा लगा. I like this toy of yours. I like this toy of yours. हम लोग उन्हें ढूंढ रहे हैं. We are looking for her. हम लोग उन्हें ढूंढ रहे हैं. We are looking for her. मेरी इज्जत का सवाल है ये. It's a matter of my honor. It's a matter of my honor. मेरी देखभाल करने वाला कोई नहीं है यहाँ. There is no one here to take care of me. मेरी देखभाल करने वाला कोई नहीं है यहाँ. मुझे एक मुस्कान के साथ विदा करो. Send me off with a smile. Send me off with a smile. तुम्हें वापस जाना होगा. You will have to go back. तुम्हें वापस जाना होगा. You will have to go back. क्या ये मेरा घर नहीं है? Is this not my home? Is this not my home? ये तो बस समझने की बात है. It's just a matter of understanding. It's just a matter of understanding. तुम्हें इस तरह घर छोड़कर नहीं जाना चाहिए. You shouldn't have left home like this. You shouldn't have left home like this. ये तो दोस्ती का एक छोटा सा तोहफा है. It's just a little gift of friendship. It's just a little gift of friendship. पर तुम तो सो रही थी. But you were sleeping. पर तुम तो सो रही थी. But you were sleeping. तुम ये छोटी सी भेंट स्वीकार कर लो. You accept this small gift. You accept this small gift. आपने मुझे दावत क्यों दी? Why did you invite me? आपने मुझे दावत क्यों दी? Why did you invite me? उसे वक्त की परवाह नहीं है. He doesn't care about the time. He doesn't care about the time. क्योंकि हम दोस्ती चाहते हैं. Because we want friendship. Because we want friendship. तो उसे कम से कम मेरी परवाह तो होनी चाहिए. Then at least He should care about me. मुझे पता है तुम क्या कहने जा रहे थे. I know what were you going to say. I know what were you going to say. मैंने जो कुछ भी किया वो मेरा फर्ज था. Whatever I did was my duty. Whatever I did was my duty. तुम हमेशा मुझ पर गुस्सा होते हो. You always get angry at me. You always get angry at me. उसका भी इलाज है मेरे पास. I have a cure for that too. I have a cure for that too. मैं जो चाहता हूँ वही होगा यहाँ. That's what I want will happen here. That's what I want will happen here. क्या तुमने मेरा नाम बताया था? Did you tell my name? क्या तुमने मेरा नाम बताया था? Did you tell my name? बहुत ही बदतमीज किस्म के आदमी हो तुम. You are really a mannerless person. You are really a mannerless person. मैं यहाँ सिर्फ आपसे बात करने आया था. I just came here to talk to you. I just came here to talk to you. तुम खाली पेट काम कैसे करोगे? How will you work with empty stomach? How will you work with empty stomach? तुमने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया है. You haven't eaten anything since morning. You haven't eaten anything since morning. झूठ बोलना आपको शोभा नहीं देता. Lying doesn't suit you. Lying doesn't suit you. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा करना चाहिए था. I should have trusted you. I should have trusted you. आपको कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा. You will have to do something different. You will have to do something different. एक साल पहले हम यहीं पर मिले थे. 1 year back we met here. 1 year back we met here. मैं बाकी लोगों की तरह नहीं हूँ. I am not like the rest of the people. I am not like the rest of the people. बाकी आपकी मर्जी. Rest is your wish. बाकी आपकी मर्जी. Rest is your wish. मुझे और परेशान मत करो. Don't trouble me anymore. Don't trouble me anymore. मैं तुम्हारे साथ ही तो बड़ा हुआ हूँ. I have grown up with you. I have grown up with you. तुम इसे जाने के लिए कहोगे या नहीं? Will you ask him to go or not? Will you ask him to go or not? जितना बोलना है बोल लो तुम. Speak as much as you want. Speak as much as you want. इससे आसान वाला पूछना. Ask her easy one. इससे आसान वाला पूछना. Ask her easy one. दरवाजा खोल कर देख लीजिए. Open the door and see. Open the door and see. क्या मैं इतनी अच्छी दिखती हूँ? Do I look so good? क्या मैं इतनी अच्छी दिखती हूँ? Do I look so good? हम लोग तो बस मजाक कर रहे हैं. We are just kidding. We are just kidding. क्या तुम्हें सब कुछ मंजूर है? Is everything acceptable to you? Is everything acceptable to you? इसलिए मैं तुम्हारी कदर नहीं करता था. So I didn't value you. So I didn't value you. इसलिए मैं ऐसा हो गया. So I became like this. इसलिए मैं ऐसा हो गया. So I became like this. उसने अपना वादा निभाया. He kept his promise. उसने अपना वादा निभाया. He kept his promise. मैं किसी भी तरह उनका गुस्सा ठंडा कर दूंगा। I will cool her temper anyhow. I will cool her temper anyhow. मेरे पास सिर्फ 1 घंटे का समय है। I just have 1 hour's time. I just have 1 hour's time. हर कोई आप ही की चर्चा कर रहे हैं। Everybody is discussing about you. Everybody is discussing about you. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। This is enough for today. This is enough for today. वो घर पर नहीं है क्या? Isn't she at home? वो घर पर नहीं है क्या? Isn't she at home? और तुम हमेशा प्रथम आती थी। And you always came first. And you always came first. उसकी याददाश्त चली गई। She lost her memory. उसकी याददाश्त चली गई। She lost her memory. तुम उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानते। You don't know anything about her. You don't know anything about her. तुम मेरा इंतज़ार कर रही हो। Are you waiting for me? तुम मेरा इंतज़ार कर रही हो। Are you waiting for me? उसने मेरी कुछ ज़्यादा ही तारीफ़ कर दी। She praised me too much. She praised me too much. वो तुम्हें भूल चुकी है। She has forgotten you. वो तुम्हें भूल चुकी है। She has forgotten you. तुम उसकी यादों में नहीं हो। You are not in her memory. You are not in her memory. हमें कभी हार नहीं मानना चाहिए। We should never give up. We should never give up. मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया क्या? Did I do anything wrong? Did I do anything wrong? क्या ये खतरनाक बीमारी है? Is this a dangerous disease? Is this a dangerous disease? मैं यहाँ उससे मिलने नहीं आया हूँ। I haven't come here to meet her. I haven't come here to meet her. मैंने उसे मना लिया है। I have convinced him. मैंने उसे मना लिया है। I have convinced him. मैं कभी तुमसे झूठ नहीं बोल सकता। I can never lie to you. I can never lie to you. मैंने तो इसे मारा भी नहीं। I didn't even hit him. I didn't even hit him. मुझे देर से आने वाले लोग बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं। I don't like people who are late. I don't like people who are late. मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ। I am not talking about that. I am not talking about that. ये कोई आसान काम नहीं है। This is not an easy task. This is not an easy task. तुम्हें इतनी चोट कैसे लगी? How did you get so hurt? How did you get so hurt? कल उसने मुझे तुमसे बात करते हुए देख लिया था। Yesterday he saw me talking to you. Yesterday he saw me talking to you. आपको अचानक क्या हो गया? What happened suddenly to you? What happened suddenly to you? उसे अभी नाश्ता करने दो। Let him have his breakfast now. Let him have his breakfast now. मैं यहाँ चाय के लिए नहीं आया था। I didn't come here for tea. I didn't come here for tea. ये कभी नहीं सुधरेंगे। He will never improve. He will never improve. तुम लोग अभी तक तैयार क्यों नहीं हुए? Why aren't you ready yet? Why aren't you ready yet? मैं अभी यही कहूँगा। I will still say the same. मैं अभी यही कहूँगा। I will still say the same.